Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at what I think is the best get paid to site out there, and it's called Freecash. We're going to show you some brand new ways of making money on Freecash. Also, I'm going to drawing some money out live to PayPal right on this video to show you how you can do that as well. So let's jump straight over to the Freecash website and show you exactly how you can go and make money with this app stroke website. Okay, so we've come onto the Freecash website here, and remember guys that you can do this on your phone as well as on the website, so it's very easy, very simple to do. And I'm going to quickly run through how you can actually go and earn cash with the Freecash site, and also some new rewards here, so that you can actually go and earn even more cash. They do also pay out in Bitcoin, and they do gift cards as well, but I'm going to show you how to pay out in PayPal cash at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already joined Freecash, you can, with my link in the description below, you can actually get a chance to win up to $250 bonus, guys. So make sure, if you haven't already joined, then make sure you hit the link in the description below here, or use the referral ID of Smart Money. So what I'm going to do at the end of this, as you can see, I've got nearly 20,000 points here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to obviously withdraw that to my PayPal, or some of that to my PayPal account. So before we do that, let's check out exactly how you can quickly go and earn money with Freecash. So you just click on the earn button here, and as you can see, you featured offers here. You've got obviously surveys, you've got offers, you've got games you can actually download and play, and you've also got sites such as Lootably here, where you can just literally go and watch YouTube videos and earn points on that as well. So like I say, very quick, very easy to go and earn points. And as you see, like I say, if you click on some of these games here, like this Walking Dead one, what you have to do is you download it, you install it, you open it, and you complete the tutorial, and you make an in-app purchase. Okay, now you might only have to earn a few, make a purchase of $1, but you're going to get 7,000 coins for this, which is equivalent to about $7. Okay, so even if you have to make an in-app purchase of $1, you're still going to be $6 in profit. So like I say, very easy to do, and if you're into your games, even better. And if you're not into games, there are obviously different things you can do here as well, such as the surveys and the offers as well. Now you've also got the leaderboard here, which is a daily leaderboard and a monthly leaderboard. So you've got the daily leaderboard where you can actually earn up to $500 daily, and it gets paid down 250 different people. And as you can see here, so even if you were say 45th, this guy still he actually earned $45,000 points in one day, and he would then get a bonus of 3,500 coins. So again, that is another way that you can actually earn just by using the site. $500 daily, or you could earn $2,500 in a month, guys, if you are the winner of the monthly prize. And again, that goes down 250 prizes to be won there. And as you can see, Julian here is on for the 250,000 points at the moment, and he's actually earned so far 447,000 points. So as you can see, this is a website that is genuine, it pays out, and I'm going to show you that obviously towards the end of this video. And also, it's very easy to go and earn points, especially with the gaming side. That is very quick and very easy to go and earn points. Now, if you're obviously already with Freecash, there are various ways. If you haven't used it for a little while, there are various ways and new ways that you can actually go and earn the rewards. And we're going to go through those right now. So we just click on the new rewards tab here. And there's a couple of things here. You can still refer people to the offer here, and you can do that, and you actually earn 5% of what they actually earn. Now, most of my actual earnings is by referring people. Now, I've referred quite a few people to this actual app, and a lot of people are making money because I am making money just by referring them. What you've also got here is a new thing called a bonus, daily bonus ladder, and then you just click on it to double, or you can claim your 40 points, or you can then try and double it to 80, etc. I've done this. You can come and do this every single day, and again, people have made $1,200, $2,500 on points, which is $2.50. Not a lot, but it just adds to your total. And then the minimum payout for PayPal is $5, so you're halfway to your minimum payout. If you ended up getting the 5,000, the bronze here, then you could pay out yourself out straight away. There is also a 7-day streak rewards. So basically you can earn, if you earn $1,000 or more of coins within 24 hours, and then you do this for 7 days on the bounce, you can actually claim between 100 and 500,000 coins as a bonus. So again, this just encourages you to come back and earn money every single day. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to actually just claim the 40, and that should take me through the 20,000 barrier, hopefully. So if we just put on the claim 40 here, boom, there we go, and that's taking me through the 20,000 barrier. And now I'm going to actually go and show you how easy it is to actually go and withdraw this straight to your PayPal account. Now you can also, if you're brand new, you can obviously follow them on Twitter and you actually gain bonus points there, and you can download the app. So like I say, you've got the website, and you also can have the app on both Android and on iOS as well. So there's no reason at all why you can actually go and earn loads of money with the Freecash app, which people are doing. In order to cash out, you come up here to the cash out button. And like I say, there are various ways you can actually go and cash out. Okay, you've obviously got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin as well. You've got gift cards such as Amazon and Spotify, Netflix, Apple, various different things. And you also got even you can withdraw skins for some of the top games such as Fortnite, Roblox and League of Legends, etc. So we're going to, like I say, do PayPal. So if we just click on the PayPal now, and as you can see here, the minimum payout is $5, and you can go all the way up to $200. But I've obviously just gone through the 20,000 point barrier there. So let's click on the $20 and then withdraw. Okay, so it says here, success, the withdrawal will be approved by the moderator shortly. Check your profile page to claim the PayPal cash out. Okay, so we go back to, that's been requested. So if we go back to my profile and click on withdrawals. Okay, and it's not quite there yet, but as you can see, the last withdrawal I had $5, 6 days ago, 8 days ago I had another $5, 10 days ago I had another $10, etc. And as you can see, I'm getting payouts of $5 near enough every single day. 10 days ago, 11 days ago, 12 days ago, 13 days ago. So if you come in and complete offers, you're going to earn even quicker than this, guys. It really is that fast. I've come across to the app very quickly rather than the website, because the website, they have to okay your payment for you to obviously withdraw, but on the app it more instantaneously goes through. So as you can see, I've come across onto the app, and if I just click on profile and I come down to withdrawals, and as you can see here, my £20,000, which was 2 minutes ago, has been, I can now claim it. So you just click on claim cash, okay, and then you just press. Now, as you can see, it's at $19 because 5% fee for PayPal. So you will get slightly less per than what it actually says. Click on redeem, and then you add in your email address here, and then click redeem. So I'm going to do that now. Boom, there we go, and that's obviously been transferred straight to my PayPal account now. Okay, so as you can see, this is so simple to actually go and withdraw and earn points. And as you can see, I've actually earned another 38 coins already since I've obviously withdrawn. So it's so simple to do, guys. You want to get on this straight away. Just click the link below and start earning, making money online with the Freecash website and app. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. Make sure you watch this video next and we will see you on the next video.